Good morning, class 10. Today our topic is jet stream. What is jet stream? These are high altitude, fast moving air currents usually found in the uh, middle latitude or in the upper tropopause. What is tropopause? You know, in a few thousand kilometer long uh, and few hundred kilometer wide. It has a depth of few kilometers. It blows more strongly in winter than in summer. The characteristics of jet streams are the circulation of the jet stream is from west to east in a narrow belt. The circulation is observed between two poles, that is 20-degree latitudes in both the hemisphere. The path that they take is very mentoring. During winter, they have more velocity that might be twice that is found in the summer. Maximum wind velocity is 480 km per hour. Jet streams become narrower in summer because due to the northward shifting. There are 5 types of jet stream: polar jet stream, subtropical westerly jet stream in upper poles, tropical easterly jet stream in the troposphere, polar high jet stream in stratosphere, subtropical jet stream. Local jet streams form due to the local thermal conditions. Now, relation between monsoon and jet stream. What is the relation? As monsoon is coming, you will understand it now. Now, in winter, the two branches of upper air westerly jet streams are located to the south of the Himalaya. South of Himalaya, and north of Tibetan Plateau. And if I have shown you the map, if this is the Tibetan Plateau, then the northern part of the Tibetan Plateau. The winds tend to descend over the northwestern part of the India, resulting in stable and dry condition. In summer, tropical upper air easterly jet stream descend into the permanent high pressure area over southern Indian Ocean. It is from this high pressure cell that the onshore winds blow towards the thermal induced low pressure area in the southern parts of India. Now, when they are crossing the equator, they blow as southwest summer monsoon winds. They bring heavy rainfall in India, so in summer we get rainfall. So the jet streams become the main factor for determining the Vaiga of summer monsoon in India. In spite of the temperature and evaporation, the months of April and March generally remain rainless because of their jet streams only. The winds coming from south of Myanmar are forced to ascend and yield auspicious rainfall because of the upper air easterly jet streams. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water present in the atmosphere. Now, the evaporation of water from the surface of the ocean and continents are continuously happening, and then they condense and they return back to the earth in the form of precipitation. This is a never ending cycle. The compost of this process is called hydrological cycle or water cycle. Now, the mass of water on earth that is being evaporated fairly constant. The water from the reservoirs, ice, freshwater oceans, which are being evaporated, moves from one reservoir to another reservoir in the form of river or ocean or from ocean to the atmosphere by physical process of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and infiltration. Uh, and then they run off to the lower subsurface and flow into them, and they remain there. Evaporation is a process, as you know, when the water is converted into vapor and they are evaporated in the gaseous form. Water leaves, uh, in other words, water leaves the earth's surface and enters the atmosphere in a gaseous form due to the increase of temperature and pressure. It is com- uh, it is a natural process, and it is a constantly happening process in the water cycle. Humidity means the amount of water vapor that I told you present in the atmosphere. Water vapor is always present in the air. Most of the water vapor in the atmosphere comes from the sea, ocean, lakes, nearby water tanks, wherever it is. The amount of humidity uh, varies from place to place and time to time. Absolute humidity, total amount of water vapor present in the air at a particular temperature, is called absolute humidity. It is defined as the weight of water vapor per unit volume of air. Absolute humidity keeps on changing if water vapor is added to or subtracted from the air mass. As air mass expands or contracts, absolute humidity is also affected by change in pressure. What is specific humidity? It is the mass of water vapor or grams contained in a kilogram of air. It remains constant and not affected by change of the volume of parcel of the air. Relative humidity